How to turn on or hide activity status on the REDnote app. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for more privacy and want to control whether people can see your activity status on REDnote, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that to hide or unhide your activity status with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is open up the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you land on your profile page, you'll have to find the settings menu represented by the gear icon. So just tap on it besides your profile. And once you land on your settings page, you'll have to scroll down and find the privacy section where you can adjust all of your activity status and other privacy options. Once you get to your privacy settings, you'll have the activity status right here on top. Just tap on it. Now, if you want to make it public so all of the people on the REDnote can see when you're active, you can choose the first option. And if you only want your friends to see when you're active, you can choose the second one. These are the people that you follow back. And if you want to turn off activity status for everyone, you can choose the third option. So these are the simple steps on how you can hide and unhide your activity status on your REDnote. Whether you want to keep your online presence private or stay visible, the settings give you full control. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more REDnote tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.